Want to stop data from being copied out of your secure folder? Samsung lets you decide whether to allow or block clipboard sharing from within secure folder, helping you protect your sensitive data. Here's how to control clipboard access easily. To do so, go to the app screen, tap secure folder, enter your screen lock, tap the three dot, then tap setting, scroll down the screen, tap other security setting, and then disable allow clipboard. If you turn this option off, data from your secure folder cannot be copied or pasted outside, keeping everything private and content. So with this setting, now your secure folder is even more secure. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.